Okay, next job now. Obviously, you just chuck your oat leaves into the just clean water and just give them a bit of a good old rinse, just to make sure there's no insects. I've actually left these in all day soaking, so bit of a cheat there really. Stirred them round just in case there's any insects, eggs or beasties on them. Now I can just put them in the pan and go to the next stage. Okay, for the next stage we just boil the leaves. This is what we're going to need: two pound of sugar, 1 lemon, and about half of this ginger, grated. As you can see, we're bringing this to the boil. It's going to boil for about 30 minutes, and then halfway through we will add the sugar, ginger, lemon peel and the lemon juice. Okay, it's been boiling now for a good 40 minutes. It's certainly changed colour, and I've got the lemon in there and the ginger. You can smell it alright. So I'm going to turn the heat off, take the leaves out, let it cool a little bit, not too much because I want it still warm, and then I'm going to add 2 pounds of sugar. Okay, that's the heat off. Okay, well it has cooled enough, so I started putting the sugar in. Stirred 1 bit in. Make sure it's all stirred. Just keep stirring, make sure you get rid of it all. Well, that's the 2 pound of sugar. You can feel if the sugar is there or not. You're gritty on the bottom. Okay, there it is in the bucket. I'm going to add, it's cooled quite a bit, some yeast on top, and to bring it up to the gallon I'm going to add, which is in a sterilised pan, cold water, and mix it. That should do it. Give it a quick stir just to be sure everything has been sterilised. Just remember, sterilise everything. I'm hoping by tomorrow there should be a good froth on that. Okay, that's the yeast I've used, just a normal fast action dried yeast, just everything yeast, cooking yeast. Okay, all I'm going to do now is put it in the corner, put the lid on, and see what happens. Okay, let's see if this is started to work. Well, there's definitely a good froth on that. It's frothing up quite nicely. It's about 12 hours. So I'm quite pleased with that. Be like that for probably, I reckon, a week, 10 days maybe. But once the froth is gone, I just siphon it off, siphon it over into the demi jar. That's actually one what I've done earlier. It's a grape wine, and that's what it'll look like, and it will sit in that jar about 16 weeks, I reckon. So what I'll do is, I won't bother to video the siphoning bit. Right, that's all I can do for now. Don't forget to look out for me in the beginning of March. We'll do a wine testing and tasting as well, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully everything could be good. Either way, we're going to find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.